Oh my God, my husband called me while I was doing the video. Okay, so I'll just start from here and show you guys what is in the box. So pretty much the same instructions for sure. Just one is blue, one is purple. Okay, see that? So you get a blue file, you get a purple file. And I believe these are 180 grits. Okay, you get a top coat, a base coat in both colors. Okay, see that? These are so cute. Okay, so now we are going to look at, oh my God, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Cool, cool, cool. And now, I'm going to show you guys these polygels. I don't know if you can see, but we have, these are the colors right there. Let me see something. Okay, so we got a dark purple, light purple, lavender purple, and we got a clear. And we got your slip solution, which is also purple. Okay, that is so cute. Then we got the blue one. We got a dark blue. We got a light blue. We got a baby blue and a clear and your blue slip solution. I can't wait to do another video, you guys. Next video, I don't have time right now, but I will be swatching all of these polygels. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I'm just starting in this YouTube world, so help me out. Bye.